Agrarian crisis resulting in farmer suicides was initiated by BJP's M. Venkaiah Naidu. Naidu said over 2 lakh farmers committed suicide during the last 2 decades and the situation is alarming, warranting immediate intervention.
Let there be a special session of Parliament called for this purpose. Let there be a historic occasion. Let us put all of our minds together and ideas together without political discrimination. Let us discuss it. Let us come to arrive at certain conclusions and let us make basic changes in the system. Basic changes in minimum support price. Basic changes with regard to crop insurance scheme. Basic changes with regard to food grain movement across the country. Basic changes with regard to export policy and import policy.
Manishankar Iyer, a nominated Rajya Sabha MP, referred to malpractices of multinational companies to the detriment of farmers. He accused media of neglecting the crisis the farmers are facing. He also called for a special session of Parliament for a detailed discussion of causes and consequences of the agrarian crisis.
I would like to concentrate on that part of the agrarian crisis which is giving rise to farmer suicides. And we see that a very large proportion of this is with regard to those who cultivate cash crops and not with regard to those who are cultivating ordinary food grains and other nutrition-related crops. I believe that the problems of cash crops are very specific to cash crops.
Ram Gopal Yadav of Samajwadi Party suggested that MNREGA works should be stopped during farming season.
मेरा सुझाव है कि जब किसान की खेती की फसल बोने और काटने का वक्त हो, उस वक्त उतने दिनों मनरेगा को या तो सस्पेंड कीजिए या फिर कोई और ऑल्टरनेट व्यवस्था कीजिए। किसान को कहीं कोई मजदूर नहीं मिल रहा है और कोई काम किसान नहीं कर पा रहा। देश में 60% जमीन ऐसी है जो वर्षा पर आधारित है, इसलिए कोई स्पष्ट और कोई ऐसी तर्क संगत सुसंगत जल नीति बनाइए कि खेती को पानी मिल सके और पैदावार बढ़ सके।
Almost all the members expressed concern over inadequate supply of farm inputs like credit, seeds, fertilizers and restrictive marketing practices besides low prices farm produce resulting in agrarian distress. Members demanded separate budget for agriculture and welfare measures like pension for old-aged farmers. In other news of the day, a day after consensus eluded that all-party meet on Lokpal bill, government kept up efforts to forge a broad convergence on the key legislation. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal today said that views expressed by about 35 political parties are being compiled for a detailed examination. He said government is hopeful of moving an amended Lokpal bill in the current winter session itself.
सर्वदलीय बैठक में 35 पार्टीज हाजिर थीं। सभी ने अपने अपने विचार दिए हैं। उन विचारों पे सरकार गौर करेगी और हमारा पूरा प्रयास ये होगा कि बिल इस सत्र में लाया जाए।